Hi families, welcome back. So in the first video I was talking about how to use a reward chart when they just get the bigger reward at the end, which applies to some of our students. And then some of our students that are using reward charts, they get smaller rewards in between because that's kind of where they're at in using the chart. They need a little bit more reinforcement. So this is how you would use the chart if they get small rewards in between. And of course, you'd be praising each time you give a token, no matter if they're earning rewards or not. So they always kind of get a little something, but some students need more than that. So we're working with my student again. Their tokens start at the bottom. Good job cleaning up your toys. Move a puppy and kitty. And again, letting the students move it because that gives them the ownership of it. And then I would say, good job. I'm going to take a gummy for this student, give them the gummy, let them eat it, and move on to their next activity. Then I would say, good job using an indoor voice. Move a puppy and kitty. Move it up. Good job. Here's a gummy. Then a little bit of time passes, and I would say, good job using walking feet. Move a puppy and kitty. And then I would give them a gummy. And now, because they have their whole chart filled out and everything is moved up, I would give them their bigger reward. So this could be iPad time, a special video, a special activity. I usually try to keep it to around 5 minutes, but again, you can do what works for you. And then when you go to start over again, after they have everything filled out, you want to move their tokens back to the bottom, because the students in our class always know that the tokens move up. So that will make the most sense to them. So you move them all the way back down to the bottom, and that also tells you that you are starting again. So let me know if you have any questions about how to use it, and I'll be talking to all the families individually about whether your students get the smaller rewards in between and making sure I share that video with you.